Hello,
Yo,
guys.
we're
This
in
is my first fun monkey horror video.
Dreamcore!
I'm in the new screensaver map.
So, Archie, what is it? Ring. Archie, don't ask what.
Yo, we're here.
Ew, why is there a hand there?
Bro,
I hope I don't die to a smiley.
bro, these game modes are not scary. They're so
It's another
trash.
person! Hello! Hello!
Yay, more
Hello.
people.
Yeah.
Hi! No, I don't know. No, the one that's actually like, come on, people. Like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Tracking glitch.
Oh no, the monster's
Use
here.
tracking glitch. Oh, he's 2D! Oh, okay, that's why. But I have a guitar. I have a guitar with no strings. Ah! Run! Guys, run! Run!
Run!
Oh my god. Ring, 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 ring.
This sound is getting boring.
Bro, me and Screensaver, we're jigging out. Oh shoot, what's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Bro, this
What's up?
game is so unfun, bro. It's so trash and poorly made.
It's
Like, literally,
monkey. It's OG monkey horror fun. What's up, bro?
Game
What's up, bro?
glitches.
Bro, how are you not dead already? What up, bro? What's up? Look, bro, please. What up, bro? Bro, I can run backwards and outrun this guy. I can literally run backwards and outrun this guy, bro. You're so slow. Okay, I'm just kidding.
What's up, man?
Is he still chasing me?
I keep dying. I keep
Okay.
dying.
Bye.